Welcome back to the Power BI Basics series. We're going to be showing you how to create a pivot table in Power BI. So let's crack on and get on to Power BI. Okay, so creating a pivot table in Power BI is really simple. All you need to do is go over to the visualization, click on matrix. This will then give you, just like how you would have in Excel, the rows, the columns, the values. And then all you need to do is grab the data that we did before. So we put in the new cases under the values, the months under the rows, and the year was the columns. And then you just expand it a bit. And as we can see here, this could do a bit of a cleanup. So like we do in the pivot table, we just add in the comma. So it's easier to read. And then the only difference is you notice you don't actually have the additional bit called the filters. But what you do, you have the filter pane. So this is where you can then drop in either to be on the visual on this page, or if you created multiple pages, you could have that filter happen on all. But for now, let's just put it onto this page. And then we scroll down to the country that was selected. So then we get the same data. So one thing you'll notice is the months are in alphabetical order and not in the order of like January, February, March, etc. And this is one of the issues you have when you do use Power BI without a calendar table or some form of sorting. So in this case, all I would do is drop in the date instead of the month, and then use this as a drill down. So let's say if you want to keep in quarters, but I really don't need to use in quarters. And then you can just drill down to the next hierarchy. And then obviously that splits out here. So then if we take out the year, it will then pull it in order. And then if you wanted to see actual days, you can actually open out here to see actual days. But let's just say we didn't want to see day and we just wanted to see month. This would sort out the issue. And the reason why that works is because a date is in order, so therefore it knows how to order the actual sort. But I'll get to the date table part in another video, but for now, just trying to keep it nice and simple. So once you've done your table, if you want to export the data that you see here, you can go down to the three little dots, export the data, save it, comes in as a CSV, and then you'll see it in the form of the data, where instead of having it as the columns, you've got the year broken down here, so then it can be repivoted or moved around as you need to. So if you like this video, please leave a comment, let me know what you like, what you don't like, is there anything that you want me to cover next time, and obviously like and subscribe. Until then, see you on the next video.